Hello guys, I am Rishabh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this we have i12 earbuds. So let's begin video. I'll unbox it. See guys, I opened this box and inside I got another box. See here. After opening, I got the main box. In this there is i12 earbuds. It looks like Apple earbuds. You can see. Let's see inside. See guys, inside the box we got earbuds box and charger and manual. So see guys, this is manual of earbuds and this is charger and this is earbuds box. Inside this we can get earbuds. By clicking this, lights go inside. See guys, two earbuds we get. After taking outside, both will be connected together. So we'll go inside the room and connect to it PC. See guys, after wearing it, it is so comfortable. You can see, very comfortable it is. See guys, you won't hear outside sound at all if it is playing. So let's go and connect to PC. See guys, here there are earpods. You can see earpods. This is PC. You have to go to add device. And click up Bluetooth. It shows like this, i12 audio. You have to click it and it will be connected. Then we have to close it. After connecting, both the earpods light will be off. You can see. Now you can go to YouTube and play any song. This has even touch features. If you can see, if I click like this, song will be automatic start playing. I show. Now you can off in your person. See, touch control it is fully. You can unpause here and it. And sound quality is really good. You can see I can't hear anything now outside voice. Sound quality is very good. I'll keep to its mic and show you. See guys, it's the sound coming from earpods. What a good quality sound it has. See guys, I have played NCS song. See guys, what good quality sound it has. Sound quality is really amazing. Touch features you can see. By keeping an ear, you can pause it. See, it is paused. I did not do anything. See guys, we can unpause even it. If you double tap, volume will be low. In mobile it has very good features. See guys. So we will meet in next video. Till that, bye.